If I were in another place. Sometimes I like to imagine how things would be if they were different. If I were at the beach now, I would be so happy. The sun would be warm and the ocean would be calm. I would be walking on the sand and everything around me would be peaceful. I wouldn't be stressed or tired. I would be relaxed and full of energy.
Would you be thinking about problems?
No, I wouldn't. I would be smiling and enjoying the moment. If you were there with me, it would be even better. We would be talking, laughing, and feeling free. You wouldn't be bored, I'm sure. Would you be happy too?
Yes, I would.
I know it. At night, the sky would be full of stars. It wouldn't be noisy or cold. Everything would be calm and beautiful. Wouldn't it be perfect to escape the busy city for just one day? If I had the chance, I would be there now.
Like and subscribe to the channel.